Alright, I'm doing a bike check update. I got some new stuff on my bike from last time I did a bike check. I got stock stem, came on a fit. Got Colt leader bars, 8.25 rise, 29 wide. Primo boy grips, Primo bar ends. My frame, same frame, United Mothership. It's a pretty solid frame. I've had it for probably 5 months now. Haven't had any issues with it. I've got S&M pitchforks. Let's see if I can get the pitchfork in there. You're not going to be able to see it. Oh, there it is. Pitchfork. And the front wheel, it's an Alienation Redline collaboration kind of wheel. They teamed up and made a wheel. It's pretty good. It's not that pricey. It's a pretty good wheel for how cheap it was. It wasn't that much. I got a Duo Stun 2.2 tire, 110 psi. Shadow pedals. I don't like them. I want to get some JCPCs because these wear down really fast, but I need plastic for pedal slides and stuff. Fit flow cranks. I got one G Sport Pleg because my friend's waiting to get his peg so I can have the other one. I've got an Eastern pop and lock hub guard and a Eastern bidirectional back wheel. You need an Eastern or a nitrous wheel to use this hub guard. So if anyone's buying it, just make sure you're aware of that. I've got another Duo white wall 225 tire, 110 psi also. My seat, it's a Shadow. It's the mid cushion. It's not the slim. I like it. It's good for if you ever have to bail. It doesn't hurt if it hits you. I got the Shadow skull and cranks sprocket with a Shadow half-link chain. Pretty sure that's it. My bottom bracket's still stock. Haven't really gotten anything to change that out. Yes, that's my bike. Comment, rate, subscribe.